Hello guys, welcome again to another video. Today I have this Samsung wobble. It comes in the 9 kg size. I believe there is 8 or 7, and there is a 13 kg that looks similar. They use the same type of PC board. So in this instance we have this one. So apparently the owner took it to another technician, but the technician failed to fix it. So we're gonna try today to see if we can manage to fix it. Our problem is it goes on, presses all the other buttons, everything else presses, even these ones, they all press. But if you try to press start, it makes a beep like it's refusing to respond, as you can hear. So it doesn't start any cycle. We switch it off, switch on again, just maybe start, nothing. It doesn't want to do anything. Okay, so to start with your Phillips screwdriver, you're gonna remove the 2 screws here. Then you can pull it to the front and lift up. So like I explained to you, it was by other technicians before. You can see they opened the whole back that they were trying to fix. There's more other screws that you must loosen. There's 4 screws, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so fortunately for me, the back is already cut open, but if it's not cut open, that means you have to cut from this hole a straight line and open this wall area here, this wall right side section. The next step is you have to remove this rubber here, you know, this insulation that they put. You see these 2 parts, similar parts. You need the one that is on the right side, so you just need to dig there, but make sure when you dig in, don't cut the lines, the tracks on the PC board. So what we're gonna need to do is we need to bridge from this leg that is on the left side of this part here. We're just gonna solder a wire from there. Then on the far right, you see there's 2 diodes, a small one and a big one. So we're gonna be soldering it to the bigger one. Okay, as you can see, just follow the diagram from that side to this diode here. Okay, so we're gonna put everything back, then we try it again. Okay, we're just gonna try it as it is. We don't have to put the cover on for now. Plug it in. Here's a moment of truth. As you can see, it's on. We're just gonna press the start button, see if it responds. All right, so I changed this part in this one here. Still nothing happened. I tested all the continuities from this side. Everything looks normal. So then I started looking on the tracks. Then I noticed that if you see here, put it closer. Yeah, if you can see here, something happened here, and there's two tracks. You can see there's two tracks there. One of the tracks is not giving continuity from this resistor here. There's this resistor here on the between these two parts. So if you test from here, it goes up to here. You don't get any continuity. You get nothing. So I'm gonna run a wire to bridge from here to here. Then I also checked the continuity from here, from this one here. The track comes this way, it goes down. As you can see here, I already scratched it. You can see there is a break in the line here. This track comes all the way to this small diode here. So I must also fix here. When I'm done fixing, I'll test it with you, see what happens. Okay, so we're done with the bridging. I ran a wire from here to here. You can hear there's continuity here, and from here up to here you can hear there's continuity. So we're gonna plug now and see what happens. As you can see, the machine is starting. Just take a video of inside. Can you see inside? Okay, we're gonna see now. It's gonna start spinning. There you go. So that's one problem fixed. A machine that doesn't start. Samsung wobble not starting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more videos.